When I win this, and I am the champion, you can give me a foot rub.
Oh, I'll do that for free. Well,
they're a bit clammy right now. Hey you, we're back. And I'm very excited because you might have seen these videos before. The challenge where you guess who knows each other better, but not with us.
Not with us.
And we haven't done it before, ever. So we're gonna get to know each other better and you're gonna get to know us pretty well.
And I'm definitely gonna win.
Should we do this then? Because you might be sleeping on the sofa tonight. And it's sofa, not couch.
Just such an English term, sofa, not couch.
Well, it's a sofa, not a couch.
It's a couch, same thing. What's a couch?
A sofa.
It's like an English term.
Make sure that you hit the notification bell. Right there, it's next to the subscription button, which I know you already pressed because you don't want to miss a thing.
I'm not rubbing these feet yet, so let's get it going.
All right then.
It's time to win.
Oh, goodness.
Are you all right?
We'll just cut that bit, don't check it.
Who usually wins the argument? This one's hard.
Really?
Hard.
Actually, mine's quite long.
Okay.
Oh my God, we know each other so well. He's put you, and then he's put brackets sometimes me, and I've literally put me always, unless you're right, which isn't often. So it's basically the same answer. Because now there's been like maybe once or twice that I think you've won an argument because you were factually correct and I was incorrect. But
like she'll say something like it's over here, or like you should take a right, and I'll be like we should definitely take a left, and she'll take the right.
Right on that one occasion. But an opinionated argument, I win every time because my excuse game is on another level. We're gonna have to do a video just on my excuses because if you ask me something, I can find an excuse and I can convince you, 100%. No matter what it is. It could be the most ridiculous thing. It could be I've walked on water and I will convince you.
When it comes to anything that that she really doesn't want to do, she can convince me that it's in both of our best interests that we both don't do it.
Yeah. Who has the crazier family? You could really be more private about writing answers.
Yeah.
Oh, you put for sure. Like it wasn't even a question. Oh, wow. My dad's one of 10 and I have 7 aunts. And my dad calls them the coven, which they don't particularly like.
But they're so funny though.
And my mom is Irish, so all her family is Irish, so you know how the Irish are. We literally have a group text called The Crazies. Maybe you might meet a couple of them in some episodes to come. That'll be funny.
Who is the better cook?
Make it this one short and sweet. I don't know how long it takes you to spell a 3-letter word. Me, right?
Yeah.
Her. Aww.
I mean, I'm really good at breakfast though. I feel like all guys are just good at breakfast though. I got the eggs though, the eggs and the bacon.
Not everyone has eggs, Philip.
I got recently good at pancakes. Shout out to Sasha, my best friend, who taught me how to cook pancakes, and now I'm very good at it.
He says that, but my pancakes are better. And again, I think that's another competition that we're gonna have because we're both pretty passionate about our pancaking skills.
Definitely.
So we'll be back for that. Comment below if you want to see our pancake making skills. Which one of us is most likely to cry during a sad commercial? Yeah. I mean, did you see the first episode? Sorry. I'm a big mush. Especially if it has anything to do with animals. Goodness me, did you watch, what was that movie with the dog? Marley and Me. Devastating.
No, I think you just really feel.
I feel.
You know, what the person is going through.
Like you and this board, because clearly you're having a tough time.
Let anyone.
Not really seen you cry, babe.
Yeah.
Not properly. But you were emotional at your grandma's funeral.
Yes, but
it wasn't a full-on cry.
Yeah.
No.
I hadn't cried in probably like 2 or 3 years. And then
Yeah.
I got a real good cry in at the gym randomly, listening to a song.
The comparison between you not crying at the funeral and then crying at the gym is a little
Randomly,
bit
I'm
bizarre.
listening to a song and I'm just like, I had to go in the bathroom and just like, and just really like cry, like ugly cry. It's not like a good cry, guys.
I do feel like
Cry more.
maybe you didn't cry at the funeral because there was so many people around. Maybe you cried at the gym because you knew you could be alone. Who would bail me out of jail? Who would I call? Who would you call? Ghostbusters.
Get you out.
Not Ghostbusters.
Because like
So
I'm
you
also
know.
thinking about like efficiency. Who's gonna actually get it done?
I
You know what I'm
know. I
saying?
did think that too, 'cause
you
the
can't-
initial
You know what I'm
person
saying? The initial person
might be
it's just
asleep
like- right. You
on the
gotta think
phone.
about like to
Do
get
they
me
have to
out.
be in America though?
Even on this side, it's like. But then again.
Am I writing this down too?
Sure.
1, 2, 3. Your mom. Yeah. Listen, if you didn't call me your mom,
Yeah.
my mom, you know how much trouble you'd be in also?
Oh my gosh.
Jeez.
Your dad, you know.
Not quick enough.
Just not quick. But your mom?
dads.
Oh man.
Dads would have to get the law book out and then he'd be going through with My mom's like, get her ass out there. I'm coming over right now. Just her tone would scare anyone.
Yeah, she's
I'd
getting
be
it.
released immediately. Be like, oh, we're not dealing with her. Funny story, actually. When we were doing the renovations at my family home in England, my mom hired all these contractors and they started calling her Mrs. Pitter. When they were wrapping up the construction, she was like, why have you been calling me Mrs. Pitter the whole time? And they were like, oh yeah, it stands for pain in the ass.
Oh, wow.
But she got it done.
Follow through.
What is my absolute least favorite food? You know I have like multiple, I feel like. Well, don't show me. Okay,
hate a
ready?
lot of food,
1, 2, 3.
yeah.
I hate a lot of food. I put pickles.
Yeah, raw
You
fish.
put raw fish. But I also hate pickles.
Yeah, you do hate pickles, but you haven't really even ate them before, which is interesting.
I'm not going to. That's the whole point. That's why I feel like I hate it more because I'm not putting a pickle in my mouth.
Like you.
Whereas I've eaten some sushi.
You will not try things.
I-
You will not like.
Oh, I've got-
if you don't like it, you're just not eating it. Wait.
There's no such thing as a good pickle.
Because the only reason you ate the sushi is because we were at the best sushi place. You were like, all right, if this is the best.
I was
version.
peer pressured also.
I think if you have fried pickles, because in Texas we fry the pickles. She's never even tried a pickle. So if you think she should, please comment below.
Don't.
No
That's torture.
pickles.
That would be torture.
Oh
And you don't
my
want to be mean,
gosh.
so don't.
It
The
looks so-
sliminess, the texture, the smell,
But
they're
it's so
cold. It's like eating a baby sluggy alien.
What's my least favorite food?
Okay. I dislike a lot of things, and he will eat absolutely anything.
I don't even know how to spell this.
I don't want to give it away.
Burrata. But
Burrata.
But I hate burrata, but I also hate squash.
He's tried 3 times though, so
Yeah,
that's
just try it
pretty-
just because I love. You see how that? See? You see, guys? With the pickles, right? That's something that I love. She won't try the pickles, but because she loves the burrata, I done tried the burrata about
I
3,
never
4
forced
times.
you to though. It was your willing
still,
choice.
and it's still nasty. And she gave me the best burrata that she liked.
No, Carbone's the best burrata.
I tasted that one.
Oh, maybe. See, sometimes he's right. Most of the time I win the argument, and not today. I'm sitting in front of the TV. What am I watching? I really don't know what you're gonna put, but you seem confident.
Because this one's actually right. You might put something else, but this one's actually right. So,
Well, that's weird. Oh, balls, you're right.
yeah,
How am I wrong at my own
I
thing?
know. This is like actually right.
If I was a shark, I would honestly, I'd be like, I'll take 0.8% and give you 10,000, okay? I know most dogs don't need gourmet food delivered to their door twice a week, but I believe in you. Your business sucks, but you're wonderful. So let's do the deal.
I'm sitting in front of the TV. What am I watching? It only stays on.
Ready? Da-da-da-da.
What?
Yep.
What else is there to watch on TV?
Shark Tank.
I have to catch up on what's going on in the sports world.
Just the same as last season. And he supports the Pats, so it's like, oh, we know what's going to happen there.
Go Patriots.
Goodness me.
Can you actually tell me one rule about football?
The quarterback always starts with the ball.
Not true. Actually.
Okay. All right. Oh, this is really hard.
How many points a touchdown?
Oh, I know that stuff.
So
3. No? 5. 5. No, I know that.
First of all,
right? Was it
I
6?
asked her how many points is a touchdown. She confidently said, oh, I know this one. 3. No, it's not 3. It's actually not 3.
It's 5.
No.
It's
what,
not?
What?
Is it
what
10?
in
What?
football?
No, really? How many is it? I'm really confused.
It's 6 points.
Ah, why would it be
Then
6? That makes no sense.
then you-
3 or 5 makes.
Then you kick the extra point. That's 7. If you kick a field goal first,
It's
that's
definitely 5.
3.
What about a 1? How'd you get a 1 point?
You can't get no 1 point. Can't get 1 point. But I'm glad we took care of it right here.
Okay.
Instead of we watching the game in the living room with all the boys and you, 5, yeah. Good job, boys.
I'll discuss that with the NFL League.
Yeah.
What is my most secret, hidden, unknown talent? I've got so many talents. Goodness.
Okay. Yeah.
Artist, paint,
Yeah.
drawer,
Yeah, you're really good at
sculptor.
sculpture. Yeah.
Oh,
You're really good at all
goodness.
of that stuff.
I put the splits.
When you guys see her paint, she has like beautiful paintings at her home. Legit. Like, I thought that's what she could do for a living.
I did one time too until my parents completely crushed my dreams and said, if you pursue this art career, you will only end up being an art teacher. So don't. Fun while it lasted.
You're doing a lot of sketching now.
I'm doing a lot of
really cool
sketching, a lot
stuff.
of designing for something coming soon.
Yeah.
The splits is also great though. It's important. Philip
Yes.
Payne. What was my first modeling job?
Ooh, this will be fun. Because I don't know.
It's actually kind of messed up because I can't even remember myself. I'm just gonna say my first like campaign when I was like 15, 16, when I felt like I got a check. Okay, so there's a nice little bag
modeling
here.
now.
Yeah.
Okay.
You know what? I could give you a clue. You own something from this shop that people wouldn't expect you wouldn't expect you would go in there. It might even be on your person right now.
Oh.
Oh, position your board a different way.
I'm sorry. Was it Banana
Did you get
Republic?
it? Oh, bloody hell, after all of that?
What's that? Claire's accessory. Oh. Yes. I don't believe in wearing real earrings because I lost 3 or 4 pair of my real earrings. I feel like you get the same effect with Claire earrings, honestly.
So, shout out to Claire's Accessories.
Shout out to Claire's accessories.
Put me on, you're putting
God,
him
it's
on.
so nice. Hey, I got this one with Claire's accessories.
There you go.
Hey, Claire's, if you want to sponsor us,
We're here.
number 1 guy.
Oh, that's
So you didn't do it for Banana Republic.
never.
What position did I play in football?
I'm gonna get in so much trouble if I get this wrong. My memory's also really bad. I think I've got it. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. Oh, good job, baby. Wide receiver.
I was close to right back. Is that a thing?
Right back? No.
No.
Wide receiver. But I played running back too at a time.
Running back. That was the other one that I had in my mind. I was like,
I played both of them.
so running back in my mind was right back.
Yeah.
That's right.
Okay.
Thanks for watching. This has been hilarious.
Man,
I can't wait to see you on the
amazing.
next one. Make sure you subscribe. And I won. Woohoo!
I definitely won, for sure.
I won.